Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling keyboard input in Virtual DJ and creating a simple profile because you want reliable, repeatable controls. First, open Settings and pick Keyboard under Controllers, then load two decks to test crossfader and deck switching. Map essential commands, play /pause, cue, sync, and assign numbers or letters that feel natural. Once done, save the profile with a clear name so you can revert. Make sure to test play and cue immediately to confirm your mappings respond without latency. Now you expand to more complex controls so your keyboard behaves like a compact controller. Map loops, hot cues, pitch up/down, and FX on /off to distinct keys. Use Shift or Control as modifiers to double your control set. Because timing matters, audition mappings through headphones and trigger hot cues to verify timing and feel. If you notice stutter or delayed response, reduce audio buffer size in sound settings or change audio driver. This fixes latency and keeps your beats locked for mixing and live performance. Finish by rehearsing full mixes with your new keyboard layout because muscle memory prevents mistakes. Run through typical transitions, EQ adjustments, and effect chains. If a key feels awkward, remap it for comfort. Export and back up the profile to a USB stick or cloud storage so you can restore settings instantly. Troubleshooting tip: if keys stop responding, confirm Virtual DJ window has keyboard focus, disable conflicting OS hotkeys, and verify modifier keys aren't stuck. This resolves most misfires quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.